to remove that because that would take a lot of detailing time to damage already. We're gonna work on the laundry area, the doors, these doors. Dust and organize the kids' room really thoroughly. Because this part really good and this part really good as well. And then the doors, dust this really good, work on those blinds really good. Top of these counters, the sink, the glass, and the shower. That really good. The toilet. And the top of this as well. And the vents and everything. Remove as much dust as we could possibly get to. This lamp, all this. Windowsills, all that. Picture frames, this glass. It's no longer dirty. Okay, that's pretty much it.